The 2008 Mercedes SL 550, powered by a 5.5-liter V8 engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 16 miles per gallon. This vehicle features rain-sensing wipers, leather seats, and Sport Package. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, navigation system, ventilated seats, xenon headlights, Sirius satellite radio, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.